So at the moment, these are 93 and 95 stock rank. What if I said if it drops below 90 again, I want to leave? So let's define that. Let's create a new screen. So again, as I've introduced before, the exit screens are just a place to hold the screen rules. It's nothing to do with the candidates here. So the new screen rule I'm going to add in is another stock rank base rule. And I'm going to say the value is going to be less than 85. And I'm going to save it. And I'm going to call it exit, because it's an exit screen, a selling screen, colon, stock rank 85. I'm just going to save it. That's all I need to do if I just want to use stock rank. If I want to use some other conditions, I can put them in the directive, but for this case, I'm only going to just do a simple rule. If it drops below 85, we're going to leave. Let's go back to the portfolio. Now I'm going to add a sell rule. It's going to be hashtag sell, colon, stock rank 85. And open the console again. Reload the portfolio. Now this won't fire because at the moment these stock ranks are still above this price. But if they had reduced to below 85, then these would have exited. So now what the selling logic says is either if any of the conditions in the sell screen are met, then we're exiting, or if the price is below the stop loss. Now we've got two conditions to exit.